Now, in order to find out if any number is good for you, or it is auspicious, or it brings bad luck to you, you have to find out two numbers out of the number that you are reckoning. For example, if you are considering to buy a car and you are looking for the number which is good for you, which is auspicious, which brings in good fortune to you, then you have to find out the graha number and the rashi number from the vehicle. Okay, so simple process to find out the graha number is to add all the digits together. For example, if your car number is 4719, then you simply add these four numbers: 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9, that equals to 11 plus 10, that is 21, and then add 2 1 also. So in the end it becomes 3. So the 3 number is the graha number. Then you have to calculate the rashi number. Now to calculate the rashi number, you have to divide it by 12, because we have to map it to a particular rashi. So divide it by 12, and whatever remainder remains, that becomes the rashi number. If the remainder is 0, then rashi number becomes the 12. For example, if you are considering the number 18, then you divide 18 by 12 and the remainder is 6. So the rashi number is 6. And if you divide, if the number is 24, you divide it by 12, the remainder is 0. So 0 maps to the 12th sign. So the rashi number is 12 for this. Similarly, to find out the graha number, you simply add 1 plus 8, that is 9. Now we have to see how this graha number and rashi number is used to reckon the auspiciousness with respect to your chart. Now in your chart, you have to look for mainly two houses. One, what is your lagna, and second, what is your arudha lagna. Now there are a set of rules to find out how the arudha lagna from lagna, but there are pretty many softwares in the market that you can use to find out your arudha lagna and the lagna. Now you have to see how these numbers are working vis-a-vis the ascendant and the arudha lagna, that is the lagna and the arudha lagna. Typically you have to see these three houses, that is 6, 8, 12. These three houses from lagna or arudha lagna are not auspicious. They bring in bad results, bring in losses. Rest others are good or very good. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10 or 1, 5, 9. These two houses, the kendras and the konas, they are called kendras and konas. Kendras are 1, 4, 7, 10 and konas are 1, 5, 9. So these houses, they bring in very good result. Other houses are meddling. Okay, now we have to see the map, how the graha number is equating to a particular graha. So since the graha numbers are 0 to 9, so we map 1 to Surya, 2 to Chandra, 3 to Brahaspati, 4 to Rahu, 5 to Buddha, that is Mercury, 6 to Shukra, 7 to Ketu, 8 to Shani, and 9 to Mangala. And then 0 is the Lagna. Okay. And the Rashis, we already know. Rashis are mapped from 1 to 12, starting with Aries, then Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Assign 1 to 12 each number to these. Now once you have assigned these numbers, once you have found the Rashi and the Graha, so for example your number was 9, so 9 maps to Mars, and the Rashi for 18 was, I think 18 if you divide by 12 it becomes 6, so 6 is Virgo. So you have to look for Virgo and Mars, these two things in your chart. So if you are purchasing a car deals with the fourth house activity in your chart. So somehow you have to see that Mars is not obstructing the fourth house activities. Okay, it should be Lord of fourth house, or it should be aspecting fourth house, or it should be aspecting or with the Lord of fourth house. So that way it should be making relation to the fourth house. And also you have to see that it should not be in bad position from the fourth house or fourth house Lord. Otherwise it will hinder the happiness from the car or from the vehicle. For example, if your Lagna is Aries and your Ardha Lagna is in Cancer, then you have to see the common houses that will be good from these two reference points, and then you have to choose the number accordingly. Now, for example, if you are Aries Lagna, then Aries, Cancer, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, Capricorn, these houses become auspicious because they are either Kendra or Kona. And suppose your Ardha Lagna is in the fourth house, that is Cancer. So from Ardha Lagna, Cancer, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Aries and Taurus. So these houses become auspicious because we have to consider the Upajaya houses also from the Ardha Lagna. Now join these two sets. Okay, if you join these two sets, you find that Aries is common, Cancer is common and Libra is common. Aries stands for 1, Cancer for 4 and Libra for 7. Now these if you come up with the numbers that maps to the Rashi numbers 1, 4 and 7, then that particular number becomes auspicious for you. Now the next step is to locate the Graha. The Graha number is mapped to a particular Graha, and you have to see that Graha is not obstructing the prospects from the new thing that you are doing, like purchasing a car or purchasing a house.